Tired of exporting Salesforce data to Excel just to get a simple report? You know the drill. Pull the data, clean it up, format it, and then finally get the numbers you needed 10 minutes ago. Well, here is the good news. You can build a custom report inside Salesforce in under 5 minutes. No exports, no spreadsheets, no hassle. Here's the plan. We are going to start from the Reports tab, pick the right report type, and save your first report. That is it. Let me walk you through it. All right, so first things first. Open up Salesforce and look for the Reports tab in the navigation bar. Now, depending on how your organization has things set up, it might be hiding under that little grid icon in the top left corner. But once you find it, just give it a click. This takes you to your Reports homepage, where all your saved reports live. Now, from this page, look for the big button that says New Report. You will usually see it on the right-hand side. Go ahead and click that. And here is a quick tip from someone who has spent way too much time in here. Do not overthink this step. Just click the button. So now you are looking at a list of report types. This is where a lot of people get stuck. But trust me, it is simpler than it looks. Salesforce organizes your data into different report types based on what you are trying to track. For example, if you want to see your deals and who is attached to them, you might pick Opportunities with Partners. That is a good, solid starting point. Just scroll through the list, find the one that matches what you need, and select it. I have tested this exact workflow dozens of times, and picking the right type at the start saves you a ton of headache later. Once you have made your selection, click the Continue button in the bottom right corner. This opens the Report Builder. This might take a moment to load if you have a lot of data, so just hang tight. Once it loads, you will see your report in a table format with all the default columns. Now, here is the really important part. Before you get into adding filters and customizing everything, get in the habit of saving your work early. Look for the Save button, usually near the top. Click it, give your report a clear name so you can find it later, and hit Save again. That is your first report, built and saved right inside Salesforce. And that is it. You just went from manually tracking data outside Salesforce to generating a custom report instantly inside the platform. No Excel required. Next time you need a quick report, you will know exactly where to go and what to click. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.